How to fix green line on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can fix green line on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you have a green line on your Android phone, it's most likely the dead pixel, some part of your display is not functioning. Now, there are basically two types of damages. One is a hardware damage, the other is a software damage. So if your phone was actually damaged and the green line came after you dropped your phone, then in that case there's nothing you can do unless you change the display itself. If it came after a software update, it's most likely a software bug and you could possibly fix it. And to fix it, there's an application on the Play Store known as Dead Pixels Test and Fix by Zooksoft. Make sure you download this application and then go ahead and then open it up and then make sure to enable it all the permission that it requires over here. Once you give it the required permission, just tap on this tab that says Fix Dead Pixel. Once you tap on it, tap on the start option here, and as you do that, it's going to run some checks like this on your device. Then once it runs its checks, you have to do this process, by the way, a couple of hours a day, such as 2 hours, 3 hours a day, which will hopefully run some checks on your display such as this. Make sure you're not looking at the phone while you're conducting this type of test. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix the green line on Android. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.